Welcome friends in our SSRS tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to focus on how to create a recursive report in SSRS. For example, if you have a recursive data, then you can create a recursive report in SSRS. In this case, you should have a self-referencing table or even a parent-child hierarchical setup in your database. That means in this case, this technique would be very helpful to you to create a hierarchical or recursive report in SSRS. For example, uh, if you have an employee and there is a hierarchy structure for an employee, for example, in this report you can see that is a Ryan Arjun, it is CEO, and then Will Smith and James Rhodes are the marketing manager as well as vice president of engineering. Now there are other peoples which are working under Will Smith and same for James Rhodes. So how can we create this report in SSRS? So first of all, to create this report, our database and see what kind of the data is required. That means parent-child relationship data we should require to create this kind of report. Now you can see we have a table employee, and in this table there are the employee ID, employee name, employee title, and the manager ID of that particular employee. So this is the query that is a self-referencing table, or you can say that is a parent-child hierarchy setup in our database. So we are going to use the data in our report here. Now we are going to back our report. Now you can see first of all I am going to remove this information. Okay, I have a blank report right now. Okay, now I am going to use a dataset, the same query over here. You can see here, this is the same query. Okay, if I am going to execute this query, you can see this is the result. Okay, now click on OK button. Now for this employee table, I am going to delete this table. Okay, and add a new table to my report like this. Okay, now we have to add the data set for this report. Now what we need to do here, I need to go to the report property like this. You can go there and choose the property over here, that is dataset name. So I am going to choose the dataset name DS employee. Okay, now what I am going to do here, I am just adding a detail group like this. Go to the detail and go to properties. In group properties, I am going to advanced section. In advanced section, I need to add a recursive parent. Recursive parent is our manager ID. Okay, now in general tab, I am going to add a group expression on employee ID. Now click on OK button. Now just pass here as a employee ID, employee name, then employee title, then I need to pass the label. So label is a function name which is introduced in label. Okay, then click on OK button. And now I am going to preview of this report. Now you can see we are able to Now you can see that every employee has a level. Like Ryan Arjun is a CEO for the employee, then his level is 0. Then Will Smith is 1 and James Rhodes is 1 also. They are working under the Ryan Arjun. Then Kimmy Pang, Rosie Gray are working with for Will Smith. So we are going to back in our design mode, and before do next step we are going to do some formatting, and size should be 9 bold, and this size should be 8. Okay, now I'm going to change the okay. Now I'm going to preview this report again. First of all, the border color should be maroon. For this, border color should be Now I'm going to execute this report again. Okay, now you can see these are the simple way to create a recursive report. Now if we want to add some padding, definitely what we are going to do here, for the padding, I'm going to the employee name column and go to the text box property. In text box property you can see the font alignment, that is the alignment left. So I am going to write some expression over here like this. 2 is the fix. First of all I need to convert the character str. Okay, casting it, then plus 2 and adding label. Label is the number, and in label we are going to multiply with 15. Okay, now close this, plus we are going to add as a pt. Okay, now click on OK button. Now we are back to alignment property. Okay, okay, and I'm going to preview this report again. Now you can see the level of hierarchy in employee name is also aligned. Okay, now we are going to back design mode and go to the back this property again, and in the font section I am going to write something over here like this. So first of all I need to change the top hierarchy as a bold. For this what I am going to do here, first of all I am going to pass it if if is a function and count is also a function. And first of all in dataset property I am going to choose the employee name, and that is the employee name. So first of all I need to remove this first name, and that is should be detail, because details is the group in our report. Then passing recursive greater than 1, it should be bold. That is constant, that is should be bold, else it should be normal. Okay, now click on OK button. And preview of this report again. Now you can see bold name Now you can see we have the bold name for the hierarchical person. That means Ryan Arjun should be bold because it's a top level person. Then Will Smith, which is working under Ryan, James Rod, which are working with Ryan also, and Jake Efron is working with Jay, who is under working with James. Now we are going to align some toggles here. It is so here we are going to in the detail property. In the right, go to the group properties, and in visibility section we are going to hide it, and for display toggle it should be employee name. Okay, now click on OK button and preview again of this report. So you can see that toggle item are working here. You can expand and collapse these toggles. For example, James Road has two managers. One is engineering manager, another is R&D manager, and they have some other people. So you can see it is very easy to create a recursive report in SSRS. If you want do some more or apply more technique like change the color for the top level of the person and change the color for the low level of the employees, then you can do that also. So this is this feature is very helpful to create a report on self defined data or parent-child relationship data. There are many cases like your territory data, your item product chain. So in this way this report could be helpful to create a recursive data. Please subscribe my channel on YouTube for more videos on SSRS, SSIS, SQL Server, Data Warehouse, Azure, Machine Learning and Data Modeling techniques. Thank you for watching us.